Welcome back. In our last video, I introduced you to the fascinating world of Arduino. In this video, we'll explore the diverse family of Arduino boards. Each board has its unique features tailored to different project needs. While we'll be using the Arduino Uno R4 Minima in this series, knowing your options is crucial. Arduino's product line includes over 100 hardware options from boards to kits. Today, we'll focus on the boards, which fall into several families, namely the Nano, the MKR, Classic, and the Mega. The Nano family is known for its tiny footprint, making it perfect for projects where space is limited. The Nano family is small, making it great for tight project spaces. But despite its size, it has important features like digital and analog input-output pins, USB interface for programming and power, and a microcontroller that can run your programs. And this makes the Nano suitable for compact designs without losing significant key functions. The MKR series, on the other hand, with its advanced connectivity features like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, suits IoT projects, and it's still small. Just like the Nano, the MKR series of microcontroller boards is specifically engineered to meet the demands of Internet of Things projects. They are small and powerful. These boards are an excellent choice for professionals and hobbyists alike looking to develop connected devices. What sets the MKR series apart is its advanced connectivity features. This inherent connectivity enables users to create projects that communicate with other devices or sensors to collect data and even remotely control systems such as robots. The Classic family is a good starting point for those new to electronics and coding, and it includes the Arduino Uno R4 Minima that we'll be using in this series. The Arduino engineers designed the boards in the Classic family with beginners in mind, making it a suitable choice for learning the basics without too much complexity. The Arduino Uno R4 Minima is user-friendly, which means you can begin to build and experiment with your own projects, even if you are new to microcontrollers and programmable electronics. It's straightforward enough for first-time users to understand and get started with. The Arduino Uno R4 Minima is a helpful tool in educational settings. Schools use it to help students learn about computer science and electrical engineering principles. The device is easy to use and supported by many online resources, including this video tutorial series, making it convenient for teachers to include it in their lessons. And for those heavy-duty projects requiring lots of pins and memory, the Mega family is your go-to. If you're working on a project that needs many pins and lots of memory, the Mega family, like the Mega 2560 board, is a good choice. For example, these boards have lots of digital input-output pins, 54 on the Mega 2560. This means that you can connect it to many different sensors or other devices simultaneously. The Mega 2560 also has 16 analog inputs, which are useful for measuring things like temperature or light with sensors. Choosing the right Arduino board comes down to your project's needs. Consider factors like connectivity, size, power requirements, and the complexity of tasks you intend to perform. Remember, there's an Arduino board for almost every project imaginable. In this video, we only started to explore the rich world of Arduino boards. With so many options, your creativity is the only limit. Our next video, we focus on the Arduino Uno R4 Minima and Wi-Fi model. This video will help you understand these boards, and in particular, the Uno R4 Minima, ahead of the experiments later in this series. Are you ready to start building? I know I am. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on our exciting journey through Arduino projects. See you in the next videos.